Today we wanted to share our top 5 camp cooking gear. These are just some of our favorites, and not only are they useful, but they've lasted for years. First up is our Coleman Gas Stove. We started off tent camping in the wilderness, nowhere near campgrounds that have grills available for cooking food. So for us, this was a way to not only have hot food, but it also allowed us to heat up water for showers and not have to worry about having to put something over a fire that would make us smell like camp smoke. This thing has lasted us for over 25 years. When we purchased ours, we got the protective case, and no matter if we pack the stove in our pop-up or in the back of our SUV, it has definitely been protected and lasted over the years.
Here's a quick guide on how to use your Coleman Classic propane stove. Always place the stove on a sturdy, flat surface. Open the lid and position the wind guards as desired. Make sure the pot support, which is the metal grate, is in place and both knobs are in the off position. Take the regulator and screw it into the stove until it is hand tight. Remove the plastic cap from the top of the propane bottle and screw the propane bottle into the regulator until it is hand tight. Make sure the propane bottle is tilted with the top facing up. Hold a lighted match or butane lighter near the burner and turn the knob so that the burner is on. Adjust the knob until the flame is blue with a hint of yellow on the tips. Repeat the previous steps to light the second burner. When finished, turn all burner control knobs to off, remove the propane bottle and regulator. Once everything cools, clean the stove, place the gold end of the regulator into the hole provided for secure storage, fold the wind guards, and store away.
Next up is our Enamel Percolator coffee pot and mugs. We're not coffee drinkers, but again, this was all about being able to heat up water to use for other things. We've actually lost the percolator piece that came inside for the coffee, but we use the coffee pot every single camping trip. It often sits on the Coleman stove with hot water for anyone to use after we're done cooking and eating breakfast. It's just so handy to leave it there, and it holds in the heat for a long time. And the mugs, well, we use these for all sorts of things. Hot chocolate, soups, stews, whatever we use them for, the handles make it easy to hold for kids and adults alike. And the enamel for both the percolator and the mugs is easy to clean. And once again, these things have lasted us for years.
The Stansport Percolator enamel set includes one 8-cup percolator and 4 12-ounce mugs. The percolator has a sturdy pour handle and cool touch bail. Each item is kiln hardened to help prevent chips and scratches. The enamel percolator set is available in both white and blue.
This next one may not seem like a necessity, but we love it. It's our cooking broiler basket. We originally purchased this to be able to easily cook toast over a campfire, but it's come in handy over the years for holding anything that you want to cook over the fire but don't want to put on a stick that you found in the woods, or maybe don't want to use one of your pots or pans. We've cooked shrimp in this thing and it kept it contained, but still allowed us to cook over the fire and gave a really nice flavor to the shrimp. Think outside the box with this one. It's really made it worthwhile for us. Fourth on our list is our Camp Chef Lumberjack Overfire Grill. We got the extra large one. Even when camping in campgrounds with grills provided, I prefer this because it's large enough to sit directly over the fire pit, and it easily cleans up and folds up to store away and have ready to use for our next camping trip. And last on our list may seem silly for some people, but our Coleman camp oven has often been a star when we camp with groups of friends. The first time we pulled it out, our friends were cracking up, but when we showed them our perfectly cooked and not campfire messy baked potatoes, they were all very impressed. This thing folds down for easy storage that makes it worth our packing space, and we've even baked cookies and muffins in it, something you never thought you'd be able to easily cook while camping. Not having to cook certain things over a fire helps control the burn marks and flavors, so we love this thing. What camping gear is your top 5? We'd love to hear what everyone else uses, so please comment and share with others. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to receive more camping and outdoor videos like this one.